You get a massage for your shoulders and your shoulders start feeling tense and painful again within an hour or 2 hours of your massage. Why? When you get that shoulder massage, does the shoulder pain come right back? That tension comes right back. We're going to talk about why that happens and how you can fix that shoulder tension in this video. Now let's get upright. A lot of us get shoulder tension from sitting at the computer all day long, and then we go, oh man, I need a massage, I need a massage. And you can get a professional massage, or you could get a massage with a little massage tool, or using a lacrosse ball or somebody's elbow or a piece of wall to try to get that tension to go away. But if you keep massaging it and the tension keeps coming back, what is the deal and how do you fix it? I had the same problem for a long time and I didn't understand. I would just keep resting my shoulders and the pain would just keep coming back. But there is a solution to this problem. And I want to say thank you to Brittany Gibson for her $5 donation to help support this channel. If you want to help support this channel too, hit that thanks button down below. So here's what happens with this problem. We're sitting around all day long just tippity tap tap typing, and we're not using the muscles of our shoulders. We're not articulating our shoulder joints. We're not raising our shoulder blades. We're really not using these muscles all day long. Many of us are just slumping down like this and going like that. That makes these muscles long, it makes them weak. For some people, if you're really tense and stressed out, maybe you're doing this and you're shortening the muscles, but you're just keeping them locked in that position all day long. That doesn't make for strong, happy muscles. When those muscles get weak from underuse, they will start to complain. This is probably one of the most misunderstood and underappreciated aspects of the human body. People think that we only feel tense when we overuse muscles and use them a lot for a lot of repetitive activities. But the reality is muscles can actually feel really tense and tight because we're underusing them or just keeping them stuck in the same length and position all the time. So here is how we fix this problem. The simplest thing you can do at home is, without any weights or anything, you can just stand there, pull your shoulder blades back, lift them up and back down. Okay? Just practice this motion. You're just practicing moving the shoulder blades up and down, back, up and down. So you're squeezing the shoulder blades together and then getting them up and down. Together, up and down. By doing this motion, you are training the muscles that control your shoulder blades to work. You're using these muscles that are up here that constantly feel tense and tight and oh my God, I just want to rip them out. Those muscles actually want to be worked. You need to actually exercise them. Tell them, hey, I see you, I understand, I love you. I want you to be able to do the things you love doing, which include elevating my scapula. Just keep doing these shrug exercises for about 60 seconds and then see what happens. You'll feel blood flow going into those muscles. And when you're ready to get more out of this exercise and get more blood into those muscles, just grab some dumbbells. Dumbbells acquired. You can use weight, you can use weighted backpacks, just use an even amount of weight on each side. You're just going to do the same exact exercise, practicing lifting up towards the ceiling and getting the shoulder blades to go up and down and up and down and up and down. The goal is not to use a crazy heavy weight. It's just enough to make sure you can feel those muscles activating. Over time, you can use heavier and heavier weights. When you start holding on to weights, I would suggest doing sets of 15 to even 30 repetitions. So you're not using a really heavy weight, you're using a weight that you can control and do a lot of repetitions with. Once you feel the muscles burning in your upper shoulders, you know you're hitting the right stuff. And then over time, you can add more weight. 2 sets is usually pretty good, especially if you're just doing it through the workday to wake up some muscles. Then you don't need to go crazy, just every now and then do a little bit. This is not a really intense exercise, so just listen to your body and see how your body responds. You can start off doing this 3 days a week and see how that feels, and you might find that you can do it multiple times a day with a light weight just to keep your body awake, keep these muscles feeling good, and keep that blood flowing. Some people may find that doing it more often is fine. Some people may find doing it less often is better for them. It's going to depend on how much weight you use and your nutrition, your sleep, how much you're at the computer, on your phone, etc. Just play with it, see how your body feels as you work with this exercise. For me personally, doing shrugs really helps just completely eliminate shoulder tension. As I said before, I don't overload it and do crazy heavy weights. I want to make sure I have good form, and then I'm able to do repetitions of it that activate the right muscles. If you use too much weight, then it ends up creating all kinds of soreness, and you probably don't do the exercise correctly, and then you start doing funny things with your neck. So just find the right weight. Just do it enough to make sure you feel blood moving through your shoulder muscles. So if you want to feel like you never have to pay for another shoulder massage again, I suggest you work this into your life. Your shoulder muscles will be happier, and you'll get to keep your money for those massages in your bank account. The same principle of building strength throughout your body can help you relieve tension and stress all over your body. So if you're looking for ways to improve overall body tension and you want your whole body to feel better, be sure to check out the links that I'm going to share down below and up above to follow along workouts that'll help you build strength in your whole body. If you want to support this channel, hit that thanks button and leave a donation. I really appreciate it. Hit the like button otherwise and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. As always, I'm Matt Shu from Upright Health, reminding you that pain sucks, life shouldn't.